y'all know it's that girl. Yeah, the random edit right now, but yeah. Girls about to get ready to go on the road. We're going go-karting. And yeah, let's get ready with me. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share the video. Clack it, clack it, clack it. Yeah, guys, we get the look. Rusty right now, but we're working on that. We're working on that. So guys, I'm done with the lashes. I'm done with the lashes. Oh. I'm done with the lashes, guys. So the lashes are done. The lashes are done. Here be poop. So now guys, I'm gonna go to bed. Don't do better so. I'm gonna go to bed and get right back to y'all. Alright guys, I'm ready. You just not do yet. I'm up on the fade and all. But I did have a kind of routine 2 blows, but I choose that one after all. Yeah. So guys, I'm ready and this is the full fit. Well, I can't see it, still can't see it because I have no put on a seat. So whenever I reach where I go, we don't know where I go yet, guys. Come think we'll go go-karting, but we don't know where we're going as yet. So on the way, okay? Like it. So guys, just left when I just left for good while now, and we're on the road. When I reach where I go, I'm gonna link in the back. Yeah. Clock it. Come on, you know it. Alright. The go-kart place again, and yeah, we walking. And we need to vlog properly. Guys, we walking. Yeah, roll out to the jelly. Yeah. So yeah, guys, we are go up to the place now. We are go buy. How much we ticket them? Make sure I have my dirty money. Them take card. Eh?
Come on. Yeah, they come on the glass.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. It's just 500 per person.
Yeah, but follow? Real rich. I actually have an aqua watching cash and I'm really relaxed. Me I go?
You can go. Me and you will boom ride and travel together.
Yeah. Guys,
We are lose together.
And
anybody are coming?
More but me have vlog no, but not gonna stay for me. Who me like that one there? Cause I want animal in the thing, you know? I want that little.
Ross, the one that flick on me, that flick.
Anyways, guys, I get my food. I don't Y'all are my gems. I'm still gonna say. Get what? Some get what's that can. Where piece of can they guys?
Don't wrap with me, you know.
With the juice.
Me fling them
We
out
get
the door.
a can. Yeah. And we are 8 piece sweets. So I'm going to buy. But I'm giving money back. I'm going to show them how I'm in the box. Yeah. Them when you tell them shot and do, but that's how I'm get. So why the shit them idiot they put 3 barbecue? Anyways, let them oh 1 and 3. Let me shut up them. Alright, you there? I'm hungry or something.
Hungry and little, man.
Hungry, little bad.
La conga una copina.
What you eating already?
Con un filo.
Alright.
How long that? How long that first? How long we ready?
Ready from 12 o'clock.
No sé, why you know me no time. I say.
That's hot.
You know. Me have jump. But you go and rip up your side.
Yes, I'm hungry. Guys, I just stopped at the bus station. The gas station, guys, to go pee. I tell them some more pee for all long. I need to piss up myself like fully, like I need to piss up myself. And I'm going at me. I forgot to tell them the history with them. The vlog at them. Can't talk right. Me I process the relief. Oh, guys, we're still on our way to roller skate. I don't know if we're still going. Okay guys, you have made it to the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed that video. So that outro here I make 1 week later. I'm so ashamed of myself right now. But without any further ado, y'all know cause I have that vlog here and a next vlog. So no worry when I get to the next vlog on time. But I'm sorry for the late posting. But without any further ado, I'll be as you can see guys, planned out a whole Sunday. Nothing didn't go as planned, but I'm still giving y'all the vlog. Yeah, of not doing anything. Anyway, so y'all know I'm starting to do comment shout out. First comment shout out goes to They All Hate Dev, and he says, "So the mic can hold on your shirt." No, it just give me a rich feel, like when you have the mic like this, it give me a rich feel. I might say, yeah, I'm that girl. Although I am that girl, but it just have made me feel more on the top, on the top. You understand? But yeah, I could have got must thing it, but you know, like yeah, I have a microphone. Okay, so the next one goes to George Mir. Hope it right. Hope my pronounce it right. George Mir 48833. Love the fro. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Yeah, guys, like listen here, listen here. It was an Afro vlog. Hello. Somebody else says Nikki Confidence says Nikki that confidence says final job something been waiting. Girl, like I should even know say like my one job things but I no ideas in my head. So what y'all need to do is if you have any ideas, y'all can comment down below and let me know your ideas. Or what one thing more could I do? Would I fun? Would I interest the crowd? Would I interest my gems over here? Hello. Yeah. Yeah, and those are the 3 comments shout out. So we're gonna move into the verse of the day. The verse of the day is looking for that blessed hope and glorious appearing of the great God and Jesus Christ, who gave himself for us that he might redeem us from all iniquity and purify unto himself a peculiar people, zealous of good works. Amen. No matter what, once you're a woman or a man of God, let it show on you and let other people be jealous about it and let them want to be like you, serve Christ like you. Have a God bless week, guys. I know it's will drop on the Saturday or Sunday, I'm not sure. But have a God bless week. I love y'all, my gems. Mwah. Comments down below. I answer comments. I do comment shout out. Once I have to do the shout out, I'll do the shout out. I love y'all.
Society where we ever do. All I know, no money, they are so much stuff a long time. But we never give up your